In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Asana tasks directly in Slack using a quick and easy tutorial. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just finding ways to enhance your productivity, integrating Asana tasks in Slack is a game changer. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open Slack in your preferred web browser or the desktop app. Once you're inside Slack, navigate to the chat or channel where you want to create an Asana task. You might have a message from a colleague that needs to be transformed into a task, or you could be planning out a new project. Either way, make sure you're in the right conversation. Now, once you're in the chat, look for two small dots or an ellipsis. This icon represents additional options, and it's your key to unlocking the Asana task creation feature. Click on these two dots, often found in the menu that appears when you hover over a message. This will open a drop-down menu with a list of actions or apps linked to Slack. From this menu, look for the option to create a task. It might be labeled something like create a task in Asana. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter details for your new task. Next, type out the task name. This is a brief description that sums up what needs to be done. Keep it concise yet informative enough that anyone assigned will understand the task at a glance. Following that, you'll need to choose an assignee. This step assigns someone in your team to be responsible for the task. It's as simple as selecting a name from the list that pops up. The assignee will receive a notification, keeping them in the loop and accountable. Then you'll want to click on the due date option. This allows you to set a deadline for the task, ensuring that it aligns with your project timelines. Select the appropriate date to help your team manage their workloads effectively. Now, you might need to associate the task with a specific project, especially if you have multiple projects running simultaneously. Use the search option to find the relevant project within Asana. Once you locate it, select the project to link your task properly. With the project set, move on to selecting a specific date if needed, and then dive into creating a description. Here you can provide more context or detailed instructions for the task. Describe what needs to be done, any important dependencies or notes that could aid the assignee. Finally, after filling in all these details, review your inputs to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, click on the Create button to finalize and send the task to Asana. There you have it. You've successfully created an Asana task using Slack. This integration simplifies your workflow by keeping all your communications and task management in one place. Thanks for following along and feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime.